Hi everyone, this is Jayanthi Thalapathi from Gateway the Complete School. So today we are going to see the multiple choice questions from Organic Chemistry chapter. Okay, so here it's a paper May June 2010 1 2. So in this paper the last few questions. Okay, so we know 40 questions we have. So in that 35 to 40, those 5 questions are from organic chapter in this paper. So which statement about methane is not correct? So we need to find out which is not correct. So here it's a liquid produced by distilling petroleum. Okay, while distilling petroleum, the crude oil or something, you will get a liquid methane. Okay, so if you see the first itself, methane is a gas, right? We know that it's a gas, so it is a liquid. It's given here as liquid, so A is not correct, right? But you need to check the other options also. You should not leave it like that, and you should not mark A as an answer, because you need to check the other 3 options too. It is produced as vegetation decomposes. Yeah, so when the vegetable waste is or whatever it is, when it decomposes, you will get methane. This is correct. And it is produced by animals such as cows. That is also true, right? So methane gases will come out, and it is used as a fuel. Yes, we are in LPG and all, we are using methane, so we are using it as a fuel. So option A is the answer over here. And if you see the question number 36, which compound in polluted air can damage stonework and kill trees? So here the polluted air, which compound will be there in the polluted air? So here carbon dioxide, it will be there in the polluted air. Carbon monoxide will be there. Even the lead compounds also you can see, but it's a solid. And the sulfur oxide. So these 3 you can you can think about these 3. But still, in this question they have mentioned which can damage stonework and kill trees. So if you take that, the sulfur dioxide in the Delhi area and all, Agra side and all, it's industrial area. So in the industrial area, when we see that the sulfur chapter, right? So we have discussed this already. So sulfur dioxide actually which reacts with the water, rainwater, and it forms sulfurous acid. Okay, so like SO2 plus water gives sulfurous acid, H2SO3. So this damages the stonework and it kills trees. The acid rain kills trees. Okay, so here the answer is this. And carbon dioxide, it's a greenhouse gas, right? So that is fine. And 37, diesel, petrol and bitumen are all what? Fuels, hydrocarbons. But if you take fuels, diesel and petrol, we are using it as a fuel. But bitumen, the tar and all, we are using, right, on the roads. So that is not a fuel. But if you think it's a hydrocarbon, yeah, diesel, petrol, bitumen, yes, all the 3 you are getting it by doing fractional distillation, right, of crude oil. The petroleum, you are getting all these. So here you can take hydrocarbon, but you need to check the other 2 options too. Lubricants, no, these are not lubricants, right? Like graphite or kind of, the oil, grease and all lubricants, but this is not lubricants. And waxes, So we cannot put these into the waxes, right? So we cannot take this as wax, so it's obviously hydrocarbon. And now if you see the 38th question, a macromolecule is a very large molecule. Macromolecules can be made by joining smaller molecules together, polymerization. Which row in the table describes the formation of a polymer? So we know monomer should be, the addition polymerization, a monomer should be alkene group. In that case, this is alkene and this is alkene. So it should be B or D. And if the polymer, we know ethene, when the polymer forms, it is polythene, right? It's not polyethane, it's polythene. So this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. And 39th question, which structure shows a compound that belongs to a different homologous series to propane? Propane, if you take propane is a alkane group. It will come under alkane. And here it's methane, okay? Ane, that sounds ane, right? So, and also these are having the single bonds, right? Alkanes means single bond. So these are having, this compound is having single bond. And if you take here, it has double bond. So this shows ethene, right? Ene, it's not ane. So ene sound should come, A-N-E, ane. But here it's ene. And if you take this, it's butane. And here it's methyl butane. So ane, all these sounds ane as a suffix. But here it's ene. So this is the answer. Okay. And this one, which structure is incorrect? So here it's 2 carbon atom and each carbon atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. So this is ethane. This is correct. And even here it's ethanoic acid. Yes, it is also balanced. 1 carbon bonded with 3 and the other carbon bonded with double bond O and OH. So acid and 2 carbon atoms. So it is ethanoic acid. And here, if it is a single bond, it is ethane, right? But in ethene, this should not come because when it removes, when it loses these 2 hydrogen, then only to balance the carbon atom, we will use this double bond, right? So here, this is the answer, right? But you need to see the another option too. And over here, it is ethyl, like CH3, CH2, C2H5OH, it is ethanol. So this is correct. So only this is incorrect. Okay, like this you need to find out, and before getting the answer you need to see all the options, right? Then only you need to decide it. Okay, thank you children. If you want to see all my videos, the new videos, upcoming videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.